In which galaxy is the Earth located? The Earth is located in the Milky Way galaxy, which is a large barred spiral galaxy containing our entire solar system. Our Sun is positioned in one of the galaxy's outer spiral arms known as the Orion Arm. B. The Triangulum galaxy is a separate member of the local group and is not where Earth resides. C. Andromeda is the closest major galaxy to our own, but it is a distinct and separate system. D. The Whirlpool galaxy is a famous spiral galaxy located far beyond our own in the constellation Canes Venatici. What does the 0 degrees line of latitude divide the Earth into? The 0 degrees line of latitude, known as the equator, is an imaginary line that circles the Earth halfway between the North and South poles. It serves as the primary reference for latitude and divides the globe into the northern and southern hemispheres. What term describes the imaginary line running through the center of the Earth from North Pole to South Pole? The Earth's axis is an imaginary line passing through the North and South poles around which the planet rotates. This axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees, which is responsible for the change of seasons. An orbit is the curved path followed by a celestial object around a star, planet, or moon. The terminator line is the moving line that separates the illuminated day side and the dark night side of a planetary body. Inclination refers to the angle between the plane of an orbit and a reference plane, such as the ecliptic. Which planet is often called the Earth's twin due to its similar size? Venus is often called Earth's twin because its size, mass, and density are very similar to those of our planet. Despite these physical similarities, it has a thick, toxic atmosphere that creates a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet and lacks a substantial atmosphere, making it very different from Earth. Mars is much smaller than Earth and has a very thin atmosphere, though it shares some surface features like volcanoes and valleys. Jupiter is a gas giant more than 300 times more massive than Earth, bearing no resemblance in size or composition. What are the weathered materials covering the Earth's surface in situ called? Soil is the thin layer of weathered material formed in situ on the Earth's surface through the physical and chemical breakdown of rocks combined with organic matter. It serves as the primary medium for plant growth and is a vital component of the Earth's ecosystem. What is the average density of the Earth's core? The Earth's core is composed mainly of heavy metals like nickel and iron, knife, resulting in a very high average density of about 13.0 gcm3. This high density is the result of both the heavy metallic composition and the intense pressure exerted by the overlying layers of the Earth. Where should one take cover during an earthquake according to the provided text? Taking cover under a sturdy table or desk protects the individual from falling debris and structural collapses, which are the leading causes of injury during earthquakes. This drop, cover, and hold on technique is the standard safety protocol recommended by disaster management authorities. While being in an open field is safe if you are already outside, the question asks where to take cover, implying an indoor scenario. Staying inside a vehicle can be dangerous if parked near buildings, bridges, or power lines that might collapse. Trees can uproot or branches can fall during tremors, making them unsafe locations for seeking shelter. What celestial particles are trapped by the Earth's magnetic belt in the magnetosphere? The Earth's magnetic field creates the magnetosphere, which traps high-energy protons and electrons from solar winds in regions known as the Van Allen radiation belts. This shielding effect is crucial for protecting the Earth's atmosphere and life from harmful cosmic radiation. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.